Hello everyone, I'm Sneha and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for this particular video as I'm painting on the organza fabric for the very first time. So I'll take you along my journey and share my experience with you all. Here are the materials that I'll be using. So I'll be painting only using two colors, that is pink and green. And for brushes, I have round and flat brush in size 2 and 4 each. Then a pencil just to trace the design, and most importantly white paint to create the shades of pink and green color. I'm using a big wooden frame and organza fabric in fluorescent green color. So let's start. Here I have a printout of the floral motif that I want to paint, and I'm tracing the design on the fabric. So first you need to decide the placement of the motifs and then trace the entire design on the fabric. So once I'm done with tracing the entire design, I'll fix the fabric properly with the wooden frame. You really need to be very careful with handling the organza fabric as it is super thin and it can tear off if it's not handled with care. Once everything is set, then just play with the colors and shades. So the key here is how well you can blend the colors. I have learned this gradually and still learning it every day. I've started off by applying water on each petal and then just blending in white paint. I'll then be using pink color on the corner to create the shading effect. While you guys watch me painting, let me share my personal experience of painting on organza fabric. So I've learned that painting on organza is not like painting on any other fabric where we mostly use more paint and very little amount of water. But with organza we need to use more of water and very little amount of paint. So applying the water on the area which you are painting on can be very helpful in spreading the color evenly. Just make sure to apply the water only on the design you have drawn and not outside of the design. So you'll learn it gradually on how to blend in the colors properly. Just remember that as long as you keep going, you'll keep getting better every day.
Enchanté.